Every groundbreaking medical advancement that reaches patients has an unsung hero working behind the scenes. Picture this. A revolutionary cancer treatment finally receives FDA approval, reaching patients months ahead of schedule. What made this possible? Not just brilliant scientists, but an intelligent quality management system that prevented mistakes, streamlined compliance, and accelerated the path to market. Or consider a pharmaceutical manufacturer that reduced production errors while dramatically improving their right first time metrics. Their secret? A digital transformation of quality and manufacturing processes that eliminated paper-based workflows. As the medical futurist, my job is to translate complex healthcare innovations into concepts everyone can understand. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the hidden force that powers healthcare innovation in just a few minutes. This video is sponsored by MasterControl, but as always, I will be exploring this topic from the medical futurist perspective. Life science organizations face unique challenges: strict regulatory requirements, complex data management needs, and zero margin for error when human lives are at stake. Quality management systems and manufacturing execution systems are the silent giants behind every healthcare breakthrough that successfully reaches patients. Without these digital foundations, manufacturing errors could compromise treatment effectiveness, regulatory submissions might face delays or rejection, data integrity issues could invalidate years of critical research, promising treatments might never become accessible. In healthcare innovation, quality isn't just about compliance. It's about accelerating life-changing treatments by making sure that they remain safe and effective. I regularly discuss cutting-edge technologies on this channel. What's fascinating is how quality management has evolved from being a documentation-heavy process to becoming a sophisticated digital ecosystem that can actually accelerate innovation. So, how do you transform quality management from a bottleneck into an innovation catalyst? MasterControl, the sponsor of today's video, has developed integrated quality management system and manufacturing execution system platforms that help life science companies enhance bond compliance and efficiency. And they believe AI will be a driving force in the future of life sciences. See Matt Lowe describe what they do differently than others on the market.
Rather than take a general purpose model off the shelf like ChatGPT or Claude, MasterControl has built its own proprietary agentic AI orchestration platform specifically for regulated companies within the life sciences. And this allows us to take a very different approach that is more tailored to the types of use cases we see in the life sciences industry.
This directly aligns with the ongoing digital transformation in healthcare and life sciences. Imagine systems automatically detecting compliance risks, reducing the chance of delays or safety issues, and freeing teams to focus on innovation rather than documentation.
Because we have our own proprietary architecture, we're able to take open source LLMs, finely tune them for specific use cases, say, for example, generation of an SOP within a pharmaceutical manufacturer. And what we're seeing is that these finely tuned, kind of hand-selected models allow us to out-benchmark the general purpose models from vendors like OpenAI or Anthropic.
The integration of AI into quality and manufacturing systems is creating unprecedented opportunities for healthcare innovation. This could enable clinical trials that require fewer participants while yielding more meaningful data. It might reduce time to market for critical medical innovations by 30 to 50%. Connected quality platforms could enable real-time monitoring of product performance even after market release. Automated compliance management might level the playing field, allowing smaller innovators to navigate regulatory landscapes that were previously accessible only to large corporations. When quality and manufacturing processes are optimized through technology like MasterControl's platforms, companies can redirect energy from documentation to innovation. The result? More breakthroughs reaching patients faster without compromising safety. Jackpot. Looking ahead, the life science companies that thrive will be those that embrace the digital transformation of their quality and manufacturing operations. not as a compliance checkbox, but as a strategic advantage that accelerates bringing life-changing innovations to market. Many thanks to MasterControl for sponsoring this look behind the curtain of healthcare and life science innovation. If you work in quality, manufacturing, or regulatory affairs and are looking to accelerate innovation through digital transformation, I would love to hear your experiences in the comments below. And as always, stay curious, safe, and keep shaping the future. Cheers. If you like this video, please subscribe below to get notified about every single new video we come up with. And also please go to medicalfuturist.thinkific.com where you will find our 2 courses, the Digital Health course and our newest one, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Medicine and Healthcare. See you there.